In this video, I am going to guide about deleting a payment method on Lyft. Removing an old or unused payment option can help you manage your payments better. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the Lyft app on your phone. 2. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. 3. Select payment from the menu. 4. Find the payment method you want to remove. 5. Tap on it to open more options. 6. If you have multiple payment methods, set another one as the default first. 7. Now tap remove or delete to remove the payment method. 8. Confirm the deletion if prompted. Once removed, the payment method will no longer be linked to your Lyft account. Make sure to add a new one if you still plan to use Lyft. If you face any issues, try updating the app or contacting Lyft support.